Hi. In this ah, in this video I will be cleaning this laptop. This is a returning customer. So it's been like I think it's been a year since I cleaned this laptop. So the owner was a bit worried. It's because the laptop is laggy. So I think it's thermal throttling because as I checked this laptop, it's a bit heavy. The vents are covered with dust, so maybe that's the reason why it's lagging. Or maybe there are some malwares inside the laptop, so I'm going to check that. So before I will open this, I need to check if it is working because basig ako ang hinungdan nga last touch na ba ko. So usually, inana ko, before na ako siya i-abrihan, I need to check if the laptop is working. So the owner of this laptop is using it for video editing. So he's a professional when it comes to video editing. Ako, dagko kayo. Nanigid ang mga gaming laptops or for productivity use. Itimbog ata ang mga power bricks. So as you can see, di ba? So it's turning on. So this is a ROG SCAR and it is a bit expensive. So I need to be careful in opening this because possible last touch ko magawa na ko siya. I'm gonna show you something. Bug ang mga vents. Ayan, pagabot diya. Bugya pa ng vents. Kana po no. Abog ang vent. Then, makita ninyo, some screws are missing. So, may na lang na ako'y extra screws. Let's start. Okay, so I already opened the laptop. So, as you can see, ito na mo na siya mga abog-abog kana. Then if you check it here, tanawon to mga so narong kana. That's the reason why wala yung fan. Ang fan niya is possible na dili na siya ka circulate og tarong air because of dust. Same rig po dito skillet sa pikas fan. Look at it. Maybe I found the culprit nga nung galag. So I already disconnected the battery, remove the motherboard, and clean it. The motherboard is removed. Para ito mong close up look niya. Dito sa hayagamay. So I already cleaned this here. So it's already cleaned. So ako na lang limpyuhan is this side of the motherboard. So I decided to remove this because nakita na ko nga abog yung kayo siya sa tanan. So walay board. Buga. So it's time to put the thermal paste. So akong gamit is I'm using a Noctua. So I've been using this sa akong personal laptop, sa akong wife ng laptop. Then sa thermal pads, akong ginagamit is this one kuan K5 Pro nga viscose thermal paste. I'm using this on personally on my laptop, and I think so far if I'm trying to edit things, dili pud siya mag-init o gayo. Though mainit siya pero nara gyapon siya sa normal range na temperature, no. Okay, so no man ako clean, I'm gonna put this now. Okay, so time check, it's 12 in the morning. So nag-start ko is around 8:30. So that's around 4 hours, roughly 4 hours and 30 minutes. So I already checked, as you can see, gaon ng laptop, nagawa ng keyboard, ang RAM is detected, ang both of the RAMs, na-detect po diya ang SSD, and the temperature is sitting around 50 to 60. So akong himoon ko ron is I need to clean it because as you can see, dili nyo makita sa video because ngit-ngit. But there are dusts there in the keyboard and in the monitor. So if you are asking me unsa kong gamit sa pag-cleaning is this one. 99% alcohol. So I am not using kanang mga isopropyl alcohols because namo na siya water. And mas okay ang 99% because dali po siya mo evaporate. So that's it.